artificial intelligence is finally here, and we can now use it to help automate so many daily tasks like optimizing our product pages, brainstorm winning products and ideas, get free organic traffic to our stores without having to market our products, write engaging ad copies, and so much more. And in this video, I'm going to go over all of the details and best strategies to use with ChatGPT to use it to its full potential in your e-commerce business. Best of all, ChatGPT is 100% free and easy to use. So now I want to show you how you can take a product, okay, and completely revise its product description. And the reason that you want to do this is because most of the suppliers that you're going to work with are going to offer really bad product descriptions, especially if you are working with Chinese sellers. Now, you could be working with a US supplier, but the product descriptions that the US supplier works with are still going to have some bad English because it could be a Chinese seller that simply imported goods to the US and now he's holding them in a US warehouse under a US seller's name, but it's still a Chinese man who wrote down the product description in really, really bad English. And those of you who have been dropshipping or in the e-commerce business for a while, you know exactly what I mean. And even if you do have good English in your product description, but you know that so many other e-commerce sellers are using this product description, then now you can completely revise it and write a new product description. So here's how you're going to do that with ChatGPT. Okay, let's go for this product right here that I have in one of my Shopify stores. So it's this winter coat right here. Here's the supplier, AliExpress, and the product description is pretty bad. I mean, this coat makes you look taller and as handsome as a man. Plus, you will be the spotlight and attract a lot of attentions so that you will be more confident. I'm not going to go on, but of course, the English here is really bad. And we're also going to optimize the product's title. So product title and product description. Let's read the title. Temperament, cashmere coat winner, coat double-breasted, color match, mid-length, blah, 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 blah. Whole bunch of words that don't connect to one another. So let's start with the title. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it, rewrite this product title. Okay, I'm going to paste it and hit enter. Now it's going to make more sense. So let's just kind of read through the title and see how it sounds. Mid-length double-breasted cashmere coat with color matching turn down collar and pockets for women. So that actually makes sense. And when I read it out like that, I don't sound like a Chinese robot trying to translate words to English. Okay, so that's one thing that it's going to do for us. Now let's go with the product description. Okay, so first I'm going to copy this perfect title. Then I'm going to go to the product right here in AutoDS and I'm going to change the product's title to the better title that we got. Okay, I'm going to save that. But now let's work on that really bad product description right here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it from the AutoDS system. I don't really need AliExpress for this, but just check out all of the information and it's not being spaced out so well and not structured well, just a whole bunch of text overlapping one another and without a good structure. So I'm just going to grab all of this text. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and rewrite this product description, use bullet points. Okay, and I'm going to paste it and hit enter. Product description: made of high quality polyester and wool material, available in sizes medium, large, extra large, and so forth, suitable for work, shopping, daily wear, and dating. Features include a double-breasted design, turn down collar, mid-length and long sleeves, color matching contrast, adds a fashionable touch, keep warm with oversized pockets, anti-wrinkle for easy care, makes you look taller and more confident. But hold up a second. You guys understood what's happening here, right? We've got all of this really, really bad text. Let's take another look from the supplier. So all of this really bad text that nobody really wants to read and that nobody's really going to read, plus this really bad looking size chart. Now check out what ChatGPT did when it comes to the size chart. It actually created a size chart inside a spreadsheet that looks this good, and I didn't even ask it to do so. So we've got the bullet points right here, which are all structured out really well, starting with the material and the available sizes, starting with the right information first and moving down to the less important information later. And then we got this wonderful sizing chart where we can see it in a much, much better way. And now imagine this. Many people are probably drop shipping this product and 99.5% of them are using the same really bad product description right here. But now you, the smart dropshipper, the smart e-commerce store owner, you're gonna have this product description right here, and you're going to be the only one with this unique description. No other online seller will have it. You will outrank them on Google, and you will get more traffic to your store, and more customers will buy because they actually understand what's going on, and they won't see you as an unprofessional business that can't even speak the English language the right way. Note, please refer to the size chart and choose the right size. Due to light and screen setting differences, the item's color may slightly vary from the pictures, so of course we're going to leave that for the end. Let's copy this product description, copy, go back to AutoDS, and I'm going to paste it right here. So just check it out now. Much better with the size chart, with the bullet list, with the right information on top. We're going to save this, and we're already looking much better with the help of artificial intelligence. So here's the draft section of my AutoDS account. And as you can see, I have products here that I can completely optimize before importing them to my store and having them go live for everyone to purchase. Now, if I open this product draft right here, and you can see here in the product description that the English really isn't that good. I mean, the level is really low, and there's just a whole bunch of text here that doesn't look good. And we've got the seller's name here, and dog collar is made of PVC fiber. Dog collar and leash set comes with 1 pieces of dog collar and 1 pieces of... Anyway, we want to revise this product description and make it better. Now, you're going to find some product descriptions that have really bad English, and some are just not that good and also not structured well like this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to copy all of this text. Then I'm going to move over to ChatGPT. Now, it can do so many things, but I'm going to keep it very simple for product descriptions. Okay, so I'm going to write right here in ChatGPT, and it's public, it's free to use. And once again, this tool is simply unbelievable, mind-blowing, but once again, product description. So rewrite this product description, use bullet points, and let's also add emojis. Okay, then shift enter, paste the text, and enter. Now, in just less than 2 seconds, we're going to get exactly what we asked for. Okay, so FGY, I think that's the seller's name, so I'm going to remove that. Dog collar and leash set in line in gray, made of durable, comfortable PVC fiber, quick snap, stainless steel buckle, easy on and off. Collar is adjustable for maximum comfort and reliable fit, suitable for small, medium, and large dogs. Leave 2 fingers between the collar and the dog's neck for proper fitting. 3 sizes available, perfect for daily use. And we got the emojis right here. Convenient and easy to use indoors or outdoors. So what we did was we took this really bad description and turned it into this really great description with the right amount of information, not too much text. It won't make the consumer tired of reading it, and they will get all the right information in bullet points, get the value that they need, see what problem this product helps them solve, and continue with the checkout process. Now, the great thing here is that nobody has this product description. You're going to be 100% unique, and you can also have it revise things like remove FGY from the text. Of course, you could also do that manually, but let's say we had it in more places. As you can see right here, now we've got dog collar instead of FGY dog collar. So of course, it helped fix that issue. And anything else that you need, you can continue revising and have it do more things like brainstorm a better title for your products. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the power of artificial intelligence to create a much better product description page. So I've just copied all of that text, and I'm going to paste it right here with the emojis, with the bullet points, and save that product description. So this is the power of artificial intelligence, and you don't have to have a virtual assistant today to optimize your product pages. Or simply, you can have virtual assistants and save the money that you're paying them hourly for their work, because now instead of spending hours and hours optimizing your product pages, they can do it in just a couple of seconds using artificial intelligence. So let's move over to another product that has a bad title like this one, Men USB. So are we purchasing a USB that's male here? So this obviously is a bad title. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this really bad title, copy it, back to artificial intelligence, and hello ChatGPT, rewrite this product title. Now, I'm not giving it any specific instructions besides rewriting. So it's just going to rewrite it in better English so that you can better understand what this product is. So instead of Men USB, it's Men's USB infrared heated vest with 17 heating areas, perfect for winter sports and hiking, available in oversized size 5XL. Now, it's a really long title, but you can continue optimizing it from here. But what it already did is helped you create a better title that's more understandable when you just read it out loud just like that. Here you can see that the supplier doesn't have a really good product specification, that is where ChatGPT can come in, an AI tool that can help us write much better product descriptions. Here's an example of what we could do here. So I'm just going to copy this product description, which doesn't look really good. I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and I'm going to tell it, rewrite this product description for my e-commerce store. I always like to use bullet points and emojis because it just comes out much better. Okay, so I'm going to paste it. Then I'm just going to click on enter. And I'm going to let ChatGPT work its magic. And as we can see right here, as I speak, it's already writing out the product description using emojis and using a bulleted list. So it's starting off with the material, which is really important. This is what you want to start off with, to just let the buyer know exactly what he's getting, because at the end of the day, that's what they're looking for when they're clicking on your product page. So we've got the different materials right here, how to care for the product, suitable for what types of occasions, multiple colors, and we're going to not include the dropshipping package, does not include price or invoice. That's for you, the dropshipper, but not for the customer to know. And you can always revise ChatGPT and tell it, for example, don't include remarks on dropshipping or sellers' names and things like that. But that's for later on, not for right now. I just want to show you how you can write great product descriptions in just a matter of seconds and really make it look good and engaging. All right, so this one right here doesn't really have a good description. We just see a whole bunch of words right here that were added that are related to the product, but they're just in a bad order here. And no real product description, just, some item specifications. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this product description, which isn't that good, head over to ChatGPT, which is free to use. And then I'm going to say, rewrite this product description for my online store. All right, shift enter, paste that text and hit enter. And let's see what product description I'm going to get. So up until now, we didn't have any good text, just a pretty bad looking title and some item specifications. And let's see how we can turn that into a converting product page, which actually explains what this product does. So here we go. Introducing the double wheel, single rebound abdominal wheel, a versatile and highly effective piece of fitness equipment for building and toning your abs and arm muscles. Now guys, you understand that it's creating this text out of this really bad description, which doesn't really talk about the product. It's just showing you product specifications. All right, let's go on. With a durable design and a safe braking system, this abdominal exerciser is built to withstand weights of up to 500 kilograms, making it suitable for users of all fitness levels. This equipment comes in a sleek blue and black and orange colorway, and its overall length is customizable, reaching up to 37 centimeters. Okay, so here we got some explanation on the product specifications. Suitable for use at home or in the gym, this abdominal wheel will help you strengthen your core and achieve a lean, toned physique. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this abdominal wheel will help you achieve your fitness goals. Get your double wheel, single rebound abdominal wheel today and experience the difference. I have no idea how it got all of this precise product information from this really bad product description that we gave it. But now, as you can see, our product pages are going to be 100% unique. And this is what I encourage you to do with the help of artificial intelligence to make your product pages stand out and be much more unique than any other dropshipper out there who's selling the same product. Your customers will appreciate it, knowing exactly what they're purchasing, getting a better product description, and there will be a much higher chance that they will purchase from your store rather than your competitors who are simply copying and pasting from one another from their suppliers.